Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming authority and intent. You must have explicit permission to view someone else's Google activity. Once done, understand why unauthorized access can be criminal and civilly liable, so you avoid costly consequences. Make sure to document consent or use a shared device where the owner logs in willingly. You'll proceed only with cooperation. Otherwise, the correct path is legally compelled requests through proper channels. This keeps you safe and respects privacy. Next, have the account owner perform the action while you observe or guide them. This is lawful and practical. Once they sign in, open Google My Activity to review searches or choose Google Takeout to export a complete archive. This explains why data stays under owner control. For children, Family Link lets you supervise activity without invading adult accounts. Make sure to explain what you're looking for and why. Transparency prevents misunderstandings and preserves trust. Finally, if you cannot obtain consent and the matter is serious, escalate the issue through lawful channels. Report to law enforcement and provide the necessary documentation, because only a subpoena or court order can compel Google to disclose another person's search history. Once that process starts, make sure to communicate timelines and limits to involved parties. If the owner simply needs help regaining access, guide them through account recovery and security measures to protect their data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.